Hey everybody, Mr. Rubo here, and we're going to do a nice short video about solving quadratics by factoring. Alright, so with this we're going to need a quadratic, so let's go ahead and we'll first deal with it in standard form. So this is kind of getting two things out of the way right away. So if you have it in standard form, if we want to solve by factoring, well, you got to factor it. So going through this and factoring it, you end up getting x minus 9, x plus 4, right? Product is negative 36. Sum of these two is negative 5. The a value is 1, so it ends up making it a little easier for us. All right. So now, really the couple things here, obviously we did the factoring part, but now the solving, that's going to be where we set y equal to 0. That is what we mean by solving. Okay. So in order to solve something, it has to be an equation, and for what we're doing, we're making y equal to 0. Okay. A lot of times with the problems, it'll already be 0, but if it's not and it asks you to solve, that is what you would want to do. All right, so at this point, once you've done the factoring, you've actually done the hard part. Now you just look at your two factors, so this guy and this guy, and we're going to use what's called the zero product property, which basically means either this is 0, either x minus 9 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, since either of these things could be true to make 0, when we solve these, we are going to get our two answers. X equals 9, x equals negative 4, and there's our two solutions. And yeah, we've just solved this quadratic by factoring. If they wanted you to graph it, you now know the two x-intercepts, you know the y-intercept, and you can also find the vertex by doing opposite of b over 2a. Okay? Or we have it in factored form, so you could always use that method as well. But the biggest thing here, make sure you remember how to factor. So that's why we spend so much time with it. But then once you factor it, set the two factors equal to 0 and solve, and you are done. There's nothing else you have to do. If you really want to check your answers, you can. Substitute them back in. You should get 0 in both cases. Just be careful with the negative signs. Okay? So yeah, like I said, nice short video here. And I realize my head's in the way, so I will move that for a second over so you can see all the work. So yeah, now you can see it all. So yeah, there's the x minus 9 equals 0 and x equals 9. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.